Hey everyone, Games here. Well, my channel finally hit 100 subscribers today, and I'm thankful for that. I love making videos. I'm all about the outdoors, music, cooking, fishing, camping, hunting, anything outdoors. But also, I want to say thank you, because I've had the channel for a pretty good while, and never really thought about trying to do something long term with it. And then it just hit me one day, and I was like, oh yeah, let's just do it. Do some fishing, cooking, camping, grilling, music, just have fun. Be safe, of course, but yeah, 100 subscribers. It finally took me a minute, but I got there, and I want to say thank you to everyone. Hope you enjoy my channel, and also stay tuned, because there's more to come. I mean, it's in the middle of winter right now. We had some snow today, but that ain't gonna stop me. Alright, have fun, enjoy life, stay safe. Until next time, peace out.